Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you as an English course of Standard 3, Chapter 5, and the chapter name is Viking Expeditions. So in this chapter we will see that a Viking person, he just went to a known land. He don't know that land, and then after what happened, that we will see in this story. Before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Please guys, attend your online classes and please follow the guidelines which government has given to follow in pandemic virus due to COVID-19, because it's a very serious virus. Because of this virus we can die also. So for our protectness, it's better that we can be safe at home and we can be very careful whenever we are going outside. It's better that you should not go outside. Please be inside. Do not interact with other person. Enjoy the time with family members. You can enjoy your time in your reading also. You can spend the time in reading, on writing, on completing your all homework. And please complete all homework. In last chapter unit 4 I have given you few new words, so that you can find out their meaning and you should write down it in your fair copy English course, because in English we have 3 section: course, reader and grammar. So the all homework we subjective wise I am giving you. Please make it separate copies and please complete all the homework in your copies, and please complete it in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil, because once the school will open, I just want all the homework. I have all the records, so it's better that you should complete it in your fair copy in good handwriting. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly, so that the COVID-19 we will free from this virus and it will not present inside your bodies. Eat healthy, stay happy at home, and do not interact with other persons. This instruction I am giving you in every online classes, so please think it's very important. It's like a headline, so it's like a precautions that we should use for the COVID-19. Please use all the precautions which government has told to follow, and please be inside. So let's start the chapter. So I'm going to read the chapter, and then after, if it will finish, then after I will give you again few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary and then you can write. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So I'm reading, so please read with me. It's chapter 5, Viking Expeditions. So, have you ever been on an adventure trip? Adventure means like a horror trip, that the land, unknown land, that you don't know the land. So on that day, on that land, what new things did you see there? What the new things that adventure trips are there, unknown land is there, and what the new things did you see there? How the people of that place look like, in clothing, in like fooding the clothes, so their behaviors, the way of talking, so how they just behaved. So that it is story related from this, that adventures Viking, he just went unknown land, and then what happened, that we will see in this video, in this chapter. Now, the Vikings were people from Scandinavia in northern Europe. So Vikings, they are a group of peoples. He just belongs from Scandinavia, a place in the northern Europe. So they appear in European history roughly from 787 AD to 1066 AD. So these Vikings people, they were appeared in European history times in year 787 AD to 1066 AD. They built strong ships and went for voyages across Europe as far as North America. So the Viking peoples, they just built a strong ship. In last videos and last classes chapter we have know about the ship, like a monster ship, dragon type ship. So they just built a strong ship and they went for voyages. It is a place where the Europe then it went for the voyages and then it across Europe as far as for the North America. Since the Vikings were famous for war and for conquering foreigner lands, they are generally shown wearing their armor and holding their weapons. Now, the Vikings were on that time on the European history in 1787 AD to 1066 AD. On that time, the Vikings, they were famous for the war and for their the force, how they just take the foreigner lands. And in fact we can also understand the way their clothes. So they just cover their clothes, they just protect their covers with a metal covering to protect the bodies, and in hand they just holding their weapons. So I'm going to show you the picture, you can see. So with the help of their weapons and that armor, which is means a metal covering which they protect their body, which they protects their body. So see, it's a picture of the Viking people. Here you can see that they just cover their bodies with a metal and they just holding a weapons. So like these two armor and the weapons, we can easily know that yes, these are the Viking people. The protective dress was made of leather and sometimes they wore a shirt made of metal rings joined together to make a protective layer over their bodies. In fact, the Viking peoples, they protect themselves with their clothes, with their dressings. First of all, their clothes is what the dress is like protective. It is made with the leather. Their clothes which we are wearing right now, we are wearing the cotton cloths. So the clothes the Viking peoples are wearing, it is made with the leather. And sometimes they wore the shirt also, shirt which is made up of metal. Now can you imagine that the shirt which is made of metal, it's like a very strong and it is protect, so that they can protect their bodies with the enemies in war also. So that's why their dress was made of leather. And sometimes what they wore the shirt which is made up of metal rings, so that they can protect their whole bodies. Some of the rich warriors wore iron helmets. So some of the rich warriors, the warriors who just go into the war, so the peoples who are in warrior, Viking peoples, so some peoples who are rich, they can wear the iron helmet also, so that their body, the brain, they will protect with the iron helmets. With a long bar protecting to protect the nose. So with a long bar here, they can protect their nose. So see, I am going to show you. You can see they just wear the iron helmets and then after here nose, so that it can protect their nose. So like that they just cover their body so that they will not get harm in the war. So that's why they just protect their bodies, and with these all, with the iron, with the metals and with the weapons. The Viking warriors. Then an iron spear and a wooden shield was another important part of their armory. Through historians have gathered this largely from the drawings and reference from rather than archaeological artifacts. Then after the second, what they have iron spears and wooden shield. With the help of they just take these all things, they just gather all these things from the historians and the drawings, and these all reference they has taken from the historical and the artifacts. Artifacts means what? An object that is made by person, specially something of culture or historian interest. So they all just gathered from the historians, from the articles, and then after they just started to wear these all clothes to protect their bodies. Now what happened, that we will see in the next lecture. So please guys, watch the lecture number 2. Till that, take care of yourself. So please be safe and enjoy the time. Thank you and have a nice day.